In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn without opening profile. The key to doing this discreetly is to switch your account to private mode first so you can visit the page you need without revealing your identity. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to block someone without alerting them that you viewed their profile. Start by signing into your LinkedIn account in a web browser. Use your preferred sign in method and complete any security checks like two factor authentication if prompted. It's important to be fully logged in before changing any privacy settings. Next, head to your account settings. On the LinkedIn homepage, click the Me icon at the top, then choose Settings and Privacy from the dropdown. This opens the central place where you control your account, privacy, and visibility preferences. In the left-hand menu, click Visibility. This section manages how your activity appears to others and what information is shown when you view profiles. We'll use it to make your visit anonymous. Open profile viewing options and select private mode. This setting hides your name and profile details when you look at someone's page. They'll only see that a profile viewed them, not who it was. Keep in mind that while in private mode, you also won't see a list of people who view your profile, which is normal for this setting. Now use the search bar at the top of LinkedIn to find the person you want to block. Type their name, select the correct result, and open their profile. Because you're in private mode, your identity stays hidden during this visit. On their profile page, click the More button, then choose Report Block. Select the option to block and follow the on-screen confirmation. You may be asked to verify your account to complete the action. Once confirmed, the person is blocked. They won't be able to see your profile, message you, or interact with you on LinkedIn. If you prefer to return to your normal browsing experience, go back to Settings and Privacy, open Visibility, then Profile Viewing Options, and switch back to showing your name and headline. This restores your usual visibility for future browsing. That's the entire process. Turn on private mode, visit the profile discreetly, block the person, and switch back if you like. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, practical LinkedIn tips and tutorials.